pairs. Follow the footsteps, look where they've been. Zones where the smart money stepped in. Order blocks and pressure zones leave their mark like ancient stones. They're pretty near, structure in view. Each decision starts from clues. It's not about being fast or bold, but reading what the charts unfold. Structure first, then insight and flow. The signals show. Smelt the wire, open the chart, I see the frame. Structure shifts, it's never the same. Higher highs and lows to find. Smart money moves, I trace the line. Order blocks where the power stays. Liquidity sweeps in quiet ways. Fair value gaps, they start to show. The market whispers, now I know. Premium discount zones aligned. POI tells the market's mine. No repaint signs, so clear and true. Every move shows what the smart hands do. I'll flow within the zone. See the rhythm, prices tone. Multi-time frame, it's all revealed. SMC makes the truth unsealed. Auto Fibs, draw a trends, rewind. Balance and bias I can find. Flow within the zone. The market speaks, I read its tone. Break structure lights the way. Coach confirms the bias stays. Demand and supply, they pull and hold. Each reaction calm and bold. Session shift, Tokyo starts. London flows, New York sparks. Real-time alerts, my guide and friend, helping me catch each perfect bend. Equal highs, the traps appear. Stops get hunted, truth is near. Internal flows and macro views. Every zone gives clear cues. I flow within the zone. Balance clear, decisions grown. POI lets the path I see. Trade with calm, no fast trade. Stop where a pullback start. Confidence has built, it trains my heart. Flow in the zone. Flow within the zone. Precision moves, I call it home. From Bill West and show me your calls. I learn to wait, not chase it all. Zones remain, the map won't fade. Patience turns to skill I've made. Adjust the swing, refine the plan. Each chart's voice I understand. No noise, no rush, just steady tone. SMC, I've grown my zone. Flow within the zone. Real-time moves, I stand alone. Indicators speak with grace, guiding through the market's maze. Fibonacci paints the climb. Pattern sing in perfect time. Bodies in the haze, flow within the zone. Knowledge builds, I've made it known. See the price, breathe away. Every candle tells its fate. Flow with logic, not with fear. Smart money's truth is crystal clear. City lights glow on a winter night. Snowflakes falling under neon signs. Hoodies on and our hands tucked tight. Laughing while we breathe the cold air light. Playlist running with our favorite song. Feels like nothing in this world could go wrong. And we walk slow, no need to rush. Little moments feeling more than enough. Warm cheeks in the December breeze. A kind of peace that's hard to leave. La, 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 eat some God in moments like this. Hot cocoa warming up our hands. Salute joy, it's only we understand. Street light shadows paint the snow. Time moves softly when you're close. No fancy words, no need to try. You're the calm in this busy life. Maybe the world spins fast outside, but here it slows down when you're in my side. Let this memory stay for years, a gentle spark in the atmosphere. 이 순간 너무 좋아. I really love this moment. 우리들만의 겨울밤. Snowy lights are dancing in your eyes. Feels like Christmas in a perfect vibe. 오늘 밤 놓지 말아줘. Don't let go of tonight. 서로를 따뜻히 안아줘. Stay with me in this winter bliss. A Christmas made of moments like this. In the market where we move with grace, signals form in zones embrace. Multi-time frames guide our eyes, where bars and jokes start to rise. From Tokyo lights to New York clothes, Fable maps the path we chose. Poise shine the chart align, we trade with purpose, time refined.
Structures clear, the zones defined. OBs and FUGs combined.
No repaint lies, it's real-time truth. Confidence grows, trade in our groove. My zone, my signal, feel the wave. Each time frame shows the moves we crave. Inside the blocks, the path is shown. Fable guides the way we own. My flow, my style, charts unfold. Moving free, so brave, so bold. Follow the rhythm, trade with grace. We feel the zone in every place.
Fresh weight grease forming just as planned. Liquidity's near, PD levels in sight. Fable, gut reveals the zones that are right.
Customize the view, your style, your way. Signal on or off, you choose to play. Real-time alerts, no second guess. Trade and sync, no more stress.
Equal highs and lows appear. The market speaks and we hear clear. From session open to final bell, Fable helps us read it well.
My zone, my signal, feel the way. Each time frame shows the moves we crave. Inside the box, the path is shown. Fable guides the way we own. My flow, my style, charts unfold. Moving free, so brave, so bold. Follow the rhythm, trade with grace. We feel the zone in every place. No more guessing, no more fear. SMC flows and Fable steers. Across each zone we take the lead. Smart money moves and we proceed. Trading in the zone, multi-time frame right. Smart money flow, no need to hide. Reversal points, the chart won't lie. POI's lit, see the reason why. Auto flips, drawn with zero touch. Pullback zones marked, don't need much. Tokyo, London, New York clutch. Sessions change, but plans stay just. Zones don't vanish, always on. Backtest ready, plans stay strong. Toggle signals, pick your song. Match the style where you belong. OBSDFEG show. Equal highs and lows and flow. Jochi be us, now you know. Structure breaks and signals glow. dashboard tuned to fit your line. Simple tools that save you time. POI stands post break sign. Important zones won't leave your mind. Risk per trade, auto cop tight, just set SL. Risk feels right, no need for pending. Type in sight, system runs and keeps you in flight. Zones don't vanish, always on. Back test ready, plan stay strong. Toggle signals, pick your song. Match the style where you belong. OBSD, FVG show. Equal highs and lows and flow. Don't shift BOS, now you know. Structure breaks and signals glow. System works in real-time pace. Signals ready, no need to chase. All in one, no scattered space. Just this tool, you're in the race. Indicator, signal, teams and clean. Plan each move like a trading machine. Multi-time frame fits the scheme. Fable, your trade begins with dream. Open the charts, I see the flow. Trend don't lie, now I know. Higher highs and lower lows, they show where smart money tends to go. Order blocks mark the hidden play. Supply and demand light the way. Fair value gaps point where price may sway. Multi-time frame keeps the edge today. Noise is fading, structure stays. Pure lights up the trade displays. Premium discount guide my way. Volume whispers what to play. In the zone with SMC. Clarity in every move I see. VOB and zones reveal. Strong intentions cannot hide. No repaintions cannot hide. No repaint entries aligned. Trading calm, the edge is mine. Signals clear, I'm not alone. I'm in the zone. Liquidity sits where highs repeat. Equal tops and lows, that's the heat. Price reversal traps we need. Set the stop, keep risk discreet. Auto Fibonacci draws the line. Alerts remind me every time. Sessions flow from Tokyo to New York. Trading plan, no rush, just work. Volume profile, time frame high. Fable bar, countdown signals nigh. Adapt natter iTunes with speed. Read the zones, fulfill your need. In the zone with SMC. Credit in every move I see. VOB and zones reveal. Strong intentions cannot hide. No repaint entry align. No repaint entries align. Trading calm, the edge is mine. Signals clear, I'm not alone. I'm in the zone. Smart money steps, that's the clue. Liquidity grabs, we see it through. Structure frames the path we take. Trade with sense, no mistake. Fair value gaps, so be demand. Every tool right in your hand. SMC flow strategies align. Trade like a pro every time. In the zone with SMC. Every move in harmony. Feel POI guide the way. Trade with confidence every day. Real-time signals never gone. Trading strong. the zone. In the quiet, there's a storm inside the chart, where the smart ones plan and the games all start. Old highs glow like a trap in the dark. Retail dreams, but they're not up to par. They don't push for the thrill, they push for the fill. Playing moves with the purpose and skill. Stop loss lines where the money hides. Sweep it clean, then reverse the tide. It's the fuel in the flow where the big hands go. Liquidity is the game they know. Above the highs, below the lows. They leave their mark where the order grows. Buy side tricks, sell side schemes, dancing lines in your trading dreams. Wait for the sweep, don't rush the show. Let the market speak before you go. Double tops, double traps equal lows. They paint the scene and steal the show. Inducement calls with a sweet disguise, but displacement flips it in a blink of an eye. Fair value gaps in the block left behind. All whispers of the smart money's mind. Don't chase breaks that drop, just watch the shift, then take your shot. It's the fuel in the flow where the big hands go. Liquidity is the game they know. Above the highs, below the lows. They leave their mark where the order grows. Buy side tricks, sell side schemes, dancing lines in your trading dreams. Wait for the sweep, don't rush the show. Let the market speak before you go. Zoom out, feel the pulse on the higher time frames. Every pool tells a story in the money game. It's not just volume, it's not just speed, it's how they lead with every need. It's the fuel in the flow, and now you know where price spend smart money goes. Behind the moves, behind the screen, they hunt in silence, then wipe it clean. Try. Look at the chart, big picture in my mind. Higher highs, higher lows, the trend I'll find. Downtrend creeping, or maybe sideways tonight. Structure shifts coming, gotta wait for the right light. Higher time frame shows the context away. Lower time frame shows the time in today. Don't rush the market, let the price come to me. Smart money whispers, now I see where it'll be. Order blocks, demand and supply. Fair value gaps, don't pass them by. Liquidity pools, EKH and PDL. Premium discount, Fibonacci sell. Step by step, we trade the flow. Structure first, then signal show. Should be as the Paris go. Entry confirmed, now watch it grow. Risk in check, we take it slow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Wait for price, evaluate the scene. Session Location, time matters. Tokyo, London, New York, dream. Liquidity sweep, a bubble below the line. Reversal or continuation, we take our time. Enter zones, OBS, DFEG. Confirm on lower TFF and identifies. Stop loss, safe, TP, and next zone higher. At least 1, 2, let the strategy fly. Order blocks, demand and supply. Fair value gaps, don't pass them by. Liquidity pools, EKH and PDL. Premium discount, Fibonacci spells. Step by step, we trade the flow. Structure first, then signal show. Show BOS patterns low. Entry confirmed, now watch it grow. Risk in check, we take it slow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Don't chase the price, let it come to me. Smart money's calling, I can clearly see. Sweeping back, structure change, BOS inside. Partial take, trailing south, right it right. Step by step, we trade the flow. Structure first, then signal show. Show BOS, the patterns low. Entry confirmed, now watch it grow. Risk in check, we take it slow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow. Trade the flow.
The gap Nadaraya, smart and clear, reads the trend, the path appears, up or down or when the price stands still. Shows the market flow, gives you the skill. Entry in the zone, SMC in play. Break of structure, points of interest display. Auto Fibonacci pullbacks align. Real-time alerts, never miss a sign. No repaint, smooth and steady. Multi-time frame signals ready. Order blocks, supply and demand. Trade with confidence, the market in your hand. Follow the zones, see where to go. Colors change, trend starts to show. Reversals marked, high probability lines. With adapt, Nadaraya and SMC combined. Liquidity, equal highs, previous highs and lows. Premium and discount zones, the system shows. Volumize OB, fair value gaps too. Real-time alerts guiding every move you do. Auto Fibonacci draws lines, them so fast. Trade entries, clear signals that last. Tokyo, London, New York, time. Any market, any asset, it's all aligned. No repaint, smooth and steady. Multi-time frame signals ready. Order plots, supply and demand. Trade with confidence, the market in your hand. Follow the zones, see where to go. Colors change, trend starts to show. Reversals marked, high probability lines. With the depth, Nadaraya and SMC combined. From M15, reach one back test and see. Higher time frame signals flow free. Customizable charts, strategy in hand. Trade anywhere, anytime, understand. Follow the zone, see where to go. Colors change, trend starts to show. Reversals marked, high probability lines. With the depth, Nadaraya and SMC combined. Follow the zone. With the day
If you want charts on the screen, looking for a path somewhere in between. You've got the skill, we've got the frame, helping you plan out playing a game. Simple zones, a clearer mind, one small tool that saves you time. Not taking over, just by your side. Let's read the market with quiet pride. 우린 길을 보여줄게. We'll show you the way. 복잡한 세상 속에 in a complicated world. Endless Fable이 함께야. 네 계획이 더 쉬워질 거야. Every mark, every zone, we break it down so you're not alone. No promises we can't keep, just insight to help you think deep. We're not a noise, we're not a trend. We're a guide that helps like a steady friend. Yeah. From early hours to late night charts, we help connect the moving parts. 우린 길을 보여줄게. We'll show you the way. 복잡한 세상 속에 in a complicated world. It's a Fable이 함께야. 네 계획이 더 쉬워질 거야. But I'll be active view. But I ain't not becoming you. We'll keep the calm, we'll keep it clear. What SMC ghetto. SMC Fable always here. Thanks for every click and you for letting us be part of you. We'll keep it calm, we'll keep it clear with SMC Fable always here. The zone, the market's aligned. Structure unfolds, signals in time. SMC vision clear to the eyes. Fable guides me, no disguise.
Break a structure, the trend is shown. Changing character, I'm not alone. Order block, supply, demand, fair value gaps where I take my stand.
Liquidity hunts, I see the play. Equal highs, they fade away. From Tokyo nights to London dawn. New York flows keep moving on. Living just like my way. Auto Fibs draw where price may stay. Premium discount, clear divide. Entry in the zone, my guide. I'm in the zone, signals calling me. Real-time alerts, setting me free. Fable on the chart, I trade with these. SMC flow, moving with the seas. I'm in the zone, confidence grows. Never miss a move, the market shows. From key zones rise, reversals appear. Entry in the zone, the future is clear.
Market structure, BOS charge. Multi-time frame, stick and talk. OBS, DFUG on lock. Signals pop up, I don't miss the shot.
Liquidity sweet, PDH, PDL. WHEW, OBL, I know it well. Custom style, I trade my plan. Indicators seen all in one hand. I'm in the zone, signals calling me. Real-time alerts, setting me free. Fable on the chart, I trade with ease. SMC price in line. Fable keeps me sharp every time. Every time.
Market moves with purpose clear. Each high and low draws patterns near. A higher high, a rising floor. Signal strength you can't ignore. Then POS comes into view. Confirms the trend is pushing through. If Joe breaks what came before, we watch the zone, prepare for more. This structure speaks, not just the chart. Each move connects, a trade in art. Where price reacts is not by chance. It's zones that set the real advance. So by design, not random flow. Where smart money tends to go. Behind each move, a deeper plan revealed in structure. Trade a scan, yeah, a scan. Liquidity sits in quiet lines, where orders wait and price aligns. Order blocks, they mark the start of price that moved with sharp depart. A last red candle or last green before a push, both sharp and clean. When price returns, it may respond, react or break, both short or long. The zones don't fade, they still remain, where entries form through loss and gain. Fair value gaps, the price unfilled, a sign of moves that surged and spilled. Three candles show imbalance made, a gap where price may soon invade. And liquidity hides where stops are set, equal highs and lows not safe yet. Swept away, then price may stall as larger plans take shape and call. So by design, not random flow, where smart money tends to go. Behind each move, a deeper plan revealed in structure. Trade a scan, yeah, a scan. Liquidity sits in quiet lines, where orders wait and price aligns. Study the chart, don't chase the noise. Structure builds what price employs. Small money leaves the clearest sign inside each zone by their design. Trading time, see the chart breathe rhythm in line. Every candle writes a sign. Market structure, it never lies. Higher highs, the trend still flies. Smart money leaves a quiet trace. Zones up here we find our place. Change your character and speak so low. Reversal hints, now we know. Zoom it out the higher frame. Context builds the inner game. Zoom it in where entries hide. Structure guides the perfect side. No repaint, no fear inside. Logic wins when rules align. Every move designed to rhyme. We trade with flow, we trade with time. The zone, we wait, not chase. Let price return, find its place. Order block in candles flow in real-time tone. PUI's fresh, the chart is shown. Golden pullbacks mark the stage. Precision lives inside the page. Tokyo starts, then London drives. New York sweeps the volumes high. Each session speaks its coded sign. Patience rules the edge engine time. Hills confirms the move's not done. Couch reveals a brand new run. Premium highs or discount lows. Logic points and smartphone knows. We don't trade, emotions call. Plan, observe, that's all in all. Every zone a story told. We stay calm, we stay in control. In the zone, we wait, not chase. Let price return, find its place. Order block and FEG show. Smart money tells where we go. Auto Fibonacci draws the light, pullback shines, the level's right, and trade the time. SMC multi-time frame. Oh, SMC multi-light. Sweet return. Reaction forms, that's how we know. Reaction, fresh momentum, no. POI, fresh momentum grows. Precision wins, the pattern shows. Alerts ring clear, the setup's near. No repaint, no sudden fear. Every plan refined and told. Moving clean, it's subtle. In the zone, the plan's alive. Patience keeps the edge in drive. No guess, no hope, no fight alone. Smart money's path, we've clearly known. It's in the zone, designed to see, just in the sun. SMC takes time frame, clarity.
Ooh la la la, oh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, la 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 la. Lights are glowing, hearts are showing. It's Christmas time again. This year went by so fast, so bright. Your support gave us strength to strive through every day, through highs and lows. You kept our hope alive to grow. From every word you sent our way, to every smile that made our day, we felt your warmth, your gentle cheer. You made this year so clear. Thank you for the love, thank you for the time. You turned a path into something that shines. Merry Christmas, may your dreams take flight, and may your heart stay warm tonight. New Year's glow, we'll sing, we'll smile, hand in hand across each mile. Together we shine, with every rhyme, a brighter world, a kinder time. Snow may fall, but the heart feels near. Through every message we feel you here. Not just a name, but a friend we've known. In every light our bond has grown. Where laughter ring, let candles gleam. New Year's hope, a gentle dream. With every beat, our hearts align. We're family, light in mind. Thank you for the joy, for being true. The best of this year, it's all of you. Merry Christmas,
Structure, that's the base we need. Bullish trend or bearish, let the chart just lead. Pro trend, we ride. Counter, we wait. Direction is the key, don't rush your fade. Before you hit that entry, better mark that zone. POI's the place where the smart cash flow. Order blocks in demand, it's where they stand. Exit or entry, draw it by hand. SMC flow, yeah, we go step by step. Structure zone and the liquid sweat. Ain't no guessing, we move with the plan. Smart money logic, understand where it stands. SMC flow, not just candlelight. It's a map, it's a process, get your mindset right. Zoning deep where the stops might sleep. Then we eat when the weak get beat. Liquidity high, it's where the traps set. Equal highs, fake outs, don't sweat yet. They hunt stops, then make the move. Clean the pool, then the price will groove. Understand the steps, don't skip one part. Structure first, let the buyer start. Zone it tight where the orders lie. Don't wait for price to justify. You don't just click when the chart looks clear. Think like the banks, then the vision appear. This ain't luck. SMC is a trader's mission. SMC flow, yeah, we go step by step. Structure zone and the liquid swept. Ain't no guessing, we move with the plan. Smart money logic, understand where it stands. SMC flow, not just candlelight. It's a map, it's a process, get your mindset right. Zoning deep where the stops might sleep. Then we eat when the weak get beat. No entry without a reason, no exit without the proof. Structure, eye, and liquidity, that's the truth. You trade with the flow, not the fear. Every move you make, the vision clear. Yes, that's either on the chart, I see the flow. Market breaks and now I know. Order blocks with the smart hands play. Volume shows the hidden way. Noise is fading, truth remains. POI lights up the game. Multi-time frame keeps me clear. Signals whisper in my ear. In the zone with SMC, finding balance, clarity. VOB reveals the tide. Strong intentions can't be denied. No repaint, I trust the sign. Perfect entries fall in line. Trading calm, I'm not alone. I'm in the zone. Premium discount, I align. Liquidity gets left behind. FEG and an OP calm. Auto Fibonacci marks it all. Tokyo, London, New York time. Sessions move in perfect rhyme. Alerts remind me where to stay. Price reversal on display. In the zone with SMC, finding balance, clarity. VOB reveals the tide. Strong intentions can't be denied. No repaint, I trust the sign. Perfect entries fall in line. Trading calm, I'm not alone. Volume speaks where price can't show. Hidden forces, let me know. Strong on OB, I feel the rise. Confidence in both my eyes. In the zone with SMC, every move in harmony. VOB, my guiding light, keeps me steady through the night. Real-time signals never gone. I'm trading strong. Volume spreads across the price, no time to bind. Levels marked where trades align. POC stands tall, the strongest zone, where buyers, sellers claim their throne. High volume nodes hold the space. Market's heart, a busy place. Low volume nodes where price runs fast. Rejection zones, the move won't last. Volume flows, the story told. POC in nodes unfold. Order blocks and gaps we find. Confirm the zones, ease the mind. D-shaped balance, sideways flow. P-shape builds, the longs will grow. B-shape drops, distributions near. Sell and pressure, traders here. Match the profile with SMC. Zones gain trust and clarity. When OB meets POC's light, confidence shines, trade feels right. Volume flows, the story told. POC in nodes unfold. Order blocks and gaps we find. Confirm the zones, ease the mind. Zones where Alvin eyes, fast moves come as price flies. Volume profile guides the way. Trade with flow, no time to stray. Volume profile clear and bright. Smart money's tool, trading light. Just the zones that flow decide. Profit rise, the volume tide.
It's not about a guess or feel, it's how the structure gets revealed. A BOS says trend's still alive, but Chatch warns it might not survive. Price tells the story on its own. Smart money leaves its trail in zone. Retail may rush, but we take time to read the shift between the lines. We don't move until it's clear in POIs where moves appear. Blocks and gaps and demand zones, why that's where the flow begins to guide. We wait for the zone, let the price unfold. Watch the map that the big hands hold. Not every move's a trade to take, but structure shows what path to make. From order blocks to fair gap space, we seek the footprints, not the race. Liquidity may spark the tide, but we let signals first decide. Equal highs may shine like gold, but often hide the stops they hold. Sweeps before the price turns round, that's where intention can be found. Yesterday's lower weekly high could be the spots where orders lie. Smart money moves with quiet grace toward the zones they use as base. Wait for Chocho's strong reply, don't just jump when price walks by. Let POI and sweep combine, then watch for signs that realign. We wait for the zone, let the price unfold. Watch the map that the big hands hold. Not every move's a trade to take, but structure shows what path to make. From order blocks to fair gap space, we seek the footprints, not the race. Liquidity may spark the tide, but we let signals first decide. Exits matter more than gain. Take what's fair and then refrain. Shouch the other way, that's a clue to lock the trade and see it through. Risk to reward, keep it wise. 1 and 2 or more, no compromise. It's about an all way we plan made. waiting for the zone. Market structure lays the ground, trend direction clearly found. Bullish climb or bearish slide, pro trend rides or breaks aside. Bias formed in every swing, guides the entries that we bring. Know the trend, then craft your plan, trade with purpose, chart in hand. Not random noise, but patterns voice. Each high and low reveals a choice. Structure first, the base we trust, then seek the zones where orders bust. Foundation and fuel, we trade it smart. Zones mark the place, liquidity's the heart. Order blocks and demand supply. Follow the footprints, then apply. High liquidity pools, watch them move. Smart money hunts, then sets the groove. Points of interest where giants tread, OBs reveal where orders spread. Demand below to push it high, supply above to break inside. Pinpoint zones to plan the strike, entries tap when price returns alike. Liquidity fuels every move, resting orders left to prove. Stop loss lines and pending cues, hunters sweep to fill their dues. Sharp sweeps turn the trend in view, then price unfolds the next move true. Foundation and fuel, we trade it smart. Zones mark the place, liquidity's the heart. Order box and demand supply, follow the footprints then apply. High liquidity pools, watch them move. Smart money hunts, then sets the groove. And if you define the structure, I'll find your edge. Zone by zone, you'll make the pledge. Trade bias, trade with rule. Chart reveals the foundation and fuel. Don't be shutting few.
Real-time tool reading the market flow based on SMC, helping traders grow. Analyzing zones on different frames, no repaint signals, keeping it plain. Auto Fib lines draw with ease, finding pullbacks catch the breeze. Signals show when the price may turn, helping traders learn and earn. Order blocks and supply demand, fair value gaps clearly stand. Trend direction right inside, trade with confidence day or night. Entry in the zone, read the structure well. Uptrend, downtrend, the stories they tell. Multi-time frame, see the bigger view. Trade with precision, knowing what to do. Entry in the zone, no guess a blind play. Clear zones mark, guiding the way. Premium and discount zones in place. Protect your capital, trade with grace. Trade with grace. No more wasting drawing lines. Instant market market structure defines. From N1 up to day one frame, one screen shows it all the same. Non-repainting data, trust it right. Stable signals day and night. Higher probability in every trade. Plan your moves, no need to fade. Order blocks and supply demand. Fair value gaps clearly stand. Trend direction right inside. Trade with confidence day or night. Entry in the zone, read the structure well. Uptrend, downtrend, the stories they tell. Multi-time frame, see the bigger view. Trade with precision, know what to do. Entry in the zone, no guess a blind play. Clear zones marked out, guiding the way. Premium and discount zones embrace. Set to capture top, trade with grace. All-in-one tool, indicator and sign. Customizable to fit your trading line. Deep market insights, clearer trends. Precise timing where the move begins. Entry in the zone, read the structure well. Uptrend, downtrend, stories they tell. Multi-time frame, see the bigger view. Trade with precision, know what to do. Entry in the zone, no guess a blind play. Clear zones marked out in the way. Premium and discount zones in place. They feeling pure soul, but we didn't get our gaze. They feeling pure soul, trade with grace. Trade with grace. Trade. In the pullback of a trend, I start to see Fibonacci levels calling out to me. 2336, just a shallow wave, but at 382 the trend's still brave. 53 cents ain't fit, but it holds the ground. Balance in the market where price rebounds. Golden 6208, that's the sacred sign. And 7V86 could be the final line. Is it premium or is it discount? Are we high above or are we deep down? I watch the zones, I watch the chart. Free level plays its part. I watch the chart, cause every level plays its part. When price is high, I know it might fall. Premium zone, where sellers call. When price is low, it's time to rise. Discount zone where the buyers lie. Premium means the cost too steep. Up in supply where sellers creep. Too risky too long. When you're that high, might be the time to short or pass it by. Discounts where the value hides. In demand zones where smart money buys. A safer play when the market's low. It's where reversals often show. I use retracements, I mark my space. Fib tools help to find the place. In the swing between top and base, I look for zones in every case. Supply above where sellers wait. Demand below, it's the buyer's gate. Extension shows how far we go, but retracements where the setups grow. Is it premium or is it discount? Are we high above or are we deep down? I watch the zones, I watch the chart. Your level plays its part. I watch the chart, cause every level plays its part. When price high, I know it might fall. Premium zone, where sellers call. When price is low, it's time to rise. Discount zone where the buyers lie. In an uptrend, I wait for the dip. Discount zone gives me that tip. In in a downtrend. I wait for the rise, short from premium before it dies. No need to guess, no need to chase, just find a level. Trust the space with fib and zones. I make my place, my money guides me all the way. Start with the bigger picture, let the higher time frame lead the way. Uptrend or downtrend, know the structure before you plan the trade. H1, A4, T1, find the context, keep the market bias clear. And zoom into 10, 15, and 5, and want to find the timing when price appears. Map every point of interest, where's my money tends to play. Order blocks up plenty, man, so mark them clean along the way. Fair value gaps show where price may come to fill before it oohs again. Hey, 포인트 인터레스트 멈춰줘.
Point of interest, stop right there.
가격이 수하고 돌아올 때 함께 가자.
When price is a pullback, let
Price come to the zone more. Don't chase momentum on the run. Watch the liquidity equal low speed. Guess days higher, low undone. Previous week high low mark. Deeper pools, restitution realigned. Price makes a sweep, returns inside the range. Then print the junction factor. That's the last word that's open. Swiggling up play. Stick to that change of character. Entry at the order bar. Fair value gap you sleep on that chip. 56 wonder ATV 60 frame premium and discount zones ahead. Session timing matters. Tokyo opens common diff expects. New York sweeps the latest up. Overlap brings the stock instead. Take profit at the next order block or structure levels you've clearly shown.
Time of interest, stop at the point of interest.
스웨이프에 확인하고 차트 믿어봐.
After this red twist, the chart shows you. Risk to it or leads to 1.5 and manage every step with care. Structure guides the flow each day. Read it right, you'll trade with flair. SMC in my flow, big picture first, details next, precision everywhere.
SMC flow. Structure first, you already know, let's break it down. Step by step. Trend defined, is it rise and a fall? Bullish climb or bearish call? Pro trend ride or fade that move? We don't just guess, we read the groove. Choach then BOS shift in frame. Smart money signs never the same. Accumulation or breakaway game. Structure talks, the chart explains. Market speaks and breaks and turns. Zones appear where interest burns. Peg your eyes from old campaigns. Order blocks where smart reclaims. Push or pull, they leave the mark. We read the past to light the spark. This is the core, no tricks, no flair. SMC rules laid out fair. Structured zones and liquidity flow from the chart, leaning show. Entries clear when the trap is sprung. Exit plan when the run is done. PY's where the footprint lies. Supply or demand, no disguise. Strong zones built from violent moves where money shifts and price approves. Mitigation, yeah, we wait. Let price return, then set the gate. Confirmation signs appear in smaller frames. Direction clear. Liquidity sits in silent lines above the highs, beneath the signs. Resting order, stop loss bait. Smart money hunts, then shifts the weights. Equal highs, that's candy sweet. They take that grab, then trade complete. This is the core, no tricks, no flair.
SMC rules laid out fair, structure zones and liquidity flow. From the chart the meaning show, entries clear when the trap is sprung, exit plan when the run is done. No shortcuts, just layered skill from chart to chart, calm and still. Structure leads, the rest aligns, trade with flow, not with signs. This is Fable, this is Fable, clean and tight, core of SMC, read it right.
Market structure shows the way, trend is what we chase. Higher highs or lower lows, find the market's pace. Up, down or sideways flow, we read the signs to trade. Knowing when to buy or sell, decisions get made. Points of interest call the shots where smart money plays. Order blocks and zones align, guiding through the maze. Demand and supply hold strong, turning price today. Finding safer entry points, we keep the risk at bay. Liquidity runs deep below where orders stacking. Equal highs and equal lows, they set the bait. Stops get swept, moves get pulled, then price will twist and turn. Understanding flows like this helps us better learn. Points of interest call the shots where smart money plays. Order blocks and zones align, guiding through the maze. Demand and supply hold strong, turning price today. Finding safer entry points, we keep the risk at bay. Structure guides the path we take, trend sets the tone. Zones reveal the moves to make in places well known. Liquidity's the target clear, where orders come and go. Together these three keys unlock the market flow. Market moves with rhythm sure, with these keys in hand. We trade with wiser steps and better understand. No guessing games, just knowing well where price will stand. With structure zones and liquidity, we make our sound. Snow falls soft on the neon street. I fold sip bicycle in a gentle beat. Your warm smile wrapped in winter air makes the whole world feel lighter out there. Hoodies up, hands tucked inside, nothing as the cold winds by. December glow on your face tonight feels like everything is turning right. No need to hurry, no place to be, just this quiet word of you and me. 바다의 순간이 좋아, I like this moment. 나는 처럼 내려와, falling softly low, suffer we fly high. Hold me closer through the winter breeze, let the night fall slow with these. 바다 우리 둘만의 밤. glow beneath the lights. Candy canes and laughter to the night. Every small thing feels brand new. When it hits different when it's you. The big plans just strolling slow, letting simple moments grow. Even if tomorrow moves too fast, hope this gentle feeling lasts. Moonlight, tracing silver lines. Everything softens when you're mine. Bye, sunny joy. I like this moment, 나는처럼 내려와. Falling solid now, so feel me feel like. Hold me closer through the winter breeze. Let the night fall slow with ease. 우리 둘만 해봐. let the target stay tonight. Snowy dreams floating in our sight. A perfect view on a Christmas night. Old drifts on, the world fades white, but your warmth stays in the back of my mind. If this season never slips away, let's keep this memory anyway. 우리 둘만 해봐. So let the target stay tonight. Snowy dreams floating in our sight. A perfect view on a Christmas night. In the pullback of a trend, I start to see Fibonacci levels calling out to me. 20 things 6, just a shallow wave, but at 38 to the trend still brave. 50 cent an 8 fib, but it holds the ground. Balance in the market where price rebounds. Gold is 61 and 8, that's the sacred sign. 70 and 6 could be the final line. Is it premium or is it discount? Are we high above or are we deep down? I watch the zones, I watch the chart, cause every level plays its part. When price is high, I know it might fall. Premium zone where sellers call. Discount zone where the buyers lie. Premium means the cost too steep. Up in supply where sellers creep. Too risky too long when you're that high. Might be the time to short or pass it by. Discounts where the value hides. In demand zones where smart money buys. A safer play when the market's low. It's where reversals often show. I use retracements, I mark my space. Fib tools help to find the place in the swing between top and base. I look for zones in every case. Supply above where sellers wait. Demand below, it's a buyer's gate. Extension shows how far we go. For retracements where the setups grow. Is it premium or is it discount? Are we high above or are we deep down? I watch the zones, I watch the chart, cause every level plays its part. When price is low, it's time to rise. Discount zone where the buyers lie. Uptrend, I wait for the dip. Discount zone gives me that tip. In a downtrend, I wait for the rise. In an uptrend, I wait for the dip. Discount zone gives me that tip. In a downtrend, I wait for the rise. Short from premium before it dies. No need to guess, no need to chase. Just find the level, trust the space. With fib and zones, I make my place. Smart money guides me all the way. Discount zone, are you fight? In the market, we know where to go. Liquidity zones, it's how we flow. With every sweep, there's a movement clear. Smart money's touch is always near. Orders gather, they're ready to move, targeting levels with every groove. Smart money knows the path to take. In the liquidity we'll make our break. We find the zones where orders align, liquidity sweep, we're right on time. Smart decisions, we trust the signs, in the flow our edge shines bright. 내 zone, 내 edge, 리틀리티 톤에서 움직여. Clear the orders, watch it move. With SMC Fable we find the groove. 내 zone, 내 edge, 리틀리티 톤에서 움직여. In the sweep we rise so high. Fable guides us reaching the sky. Orders clear, price on the rise. Fill in the gaps, we seize the price. From high to low, the zones are set. Smart money's move, we won't forget. Liquidity pools, they're building fast. In these zones, trades will last. With Fable's edge, we're always ahead. In the sweep, we're never misled. We find the zones where orders align, liquidity sweep, we're right on time. Smart decisions, we trust the signs, in the flow our edge shines bright. 내 zone, 내 edge, 리필리티 존에서 움직여. Clear the orders, watch it move. With SMC Fable we find the groove. 내 zone, 내 edge, 리필리티 존에서 움직여. In the sweep we rise so high. Fable guides us reaching the sky. Liquidity's calling, we're ready to trade. In every zone our path is laid. With Fable's edge we take the lead. Clearing the orders, we're set to succeed. 내 zone, 내 edge, liquidity 존에서 움직여. Clear the orders, watch it move. With SMC Fable we find the groove. 내 zone, 내 edge, liquidity 존에서 움직여. In the sweep we rise so high. Fable guides us reaching the sky.
Candles glow, but the truth is deep. Order blocks show where the giants leap. Add the volume, see who's strong. Without the flow, you might be wrong. High or low, volume tells a tale. Buyers, sellers, riding on the scale. Balance or imbalance, gotta see the sign. SMC trading, read the market line. Filter out the noise, only keep the real. Volume shows the story, that's the deal. Strong zones shine, weak zones fade. HE free reveals the game the market played. Volumized order block, lighting my way. SMC guide me through the fray. High H just heavy, 100% side balance strong. Medium 30, 70%, leaning right or wrong. Low 30%, one side dominates, reversal song. Strong buy, strong sell, feel the flow. High volume zones, that's how I go. No more guessing, just let it show. VOB baby, now the secrets glow. Look at HN, where the power lies. High, consolidation, see it with your eyes. Medium, balance tipping, maybe switch your state. Low E, dominance, clear key, reversal play. Volume size, guys, entry points, I ride high. Strength, low noise, just slide. Market balance, imbalance, read it clear. SMC trading strategies here. Sideways, reversal, accumulation. VOB shows the true situation. No fake zones, only just the real. Volume musics, heartbeat you can feel. Volume I started block lighting my way. SMC guiding me through the fray. High H and 7 and 100%. Side balance strong. Medium 30, 70%. Leaning right or wrong. Low 30%. One side dominates, reversal song. Strong by strong, self feel the flow. High volume zones, that's how I go. No more guessing, just let it show. VOB baby, now the secrets glow. Hidden forces, volumized, I ride the courses. SMC lights up my path. Traded smart, feel the aftermath.
Watch the prices move. Entry in the zone helps you find the groove. Multi-time frame view shows every structure. Olsen charge guides your trades with clear structure. Order blocks supply and demand are easy to see. Fair value capture where reversals can be. Auto Fibonacci draws the lines on time. Real-time alerts warn at every sign. Premium and discounts don't show the way, helping you decide where to enter or stay. Volume profile, higher time frame, keep track. Fable bar countdown shows the time and exact. Learn the zone, see the market clear. SMC helps you know when to enter or steer. Signals and zones, clear every time. Trade with confidence, use the tools just fine. Adaptive, not array, it tunes the lines automatically. No repaint, analyze instantly. Trained to read zone strategies aligned. SMC tools make you trade like a pro every time. Learn the zone, see the market clear. SMC helps you know when to enter or steer. Signals and zones, clear every time. Trade with confidence, use the tools just fine.
On the chart, I see the flow. Market breaks, and now I know. Order blocks where the smart hands play. Volume shows the hidden way. Noise is fading, truth remains. UI lights up the game. Multi-time frame keeps me clear. Signals whisper in my ear. In the zone with SMC, entries fall in line. Trading calm, I'm not alone. I'm in the zone. Premium discount, I align. Liquidity gets left behind. FTG and OB call. Auto Fibonacci marks it all. Tokyo, London, New York time. Sessions move in perfect time. Alerts remind me where to stay. Price reversal on display. In the zone with SMC. Finding balance, clarity. VOB reveals the tide. Strong intentions can't be denied. No repaint, I trust the sign. Perfect entries fall in line. Trading calm, I'm not alone. I'm in the zone. Volume speaks where price can't show. Hidden forces let me know. Strong OB, I feel the rise. Confidence in both my eyes. In the zone with SMC. Every move in harmony. VOB, my guiding light. Keeps me steady through the night. Real-time signals never gone. I'm trading strong. I'm in the zone.
Starting my chart with the morning breeze. Tokyo glow, I feel the peace. Dashboard lights up the space, showing me the perfect place. I used to chase, now I prepare. With every zone I'm more aware. No more guessing in the dark. Now every move I leave a mark. OBFPG on my screen. No repaint, it's crystal clean. PY leads where trades align. I trust the process every time. 내 흐름은 지금 여기에. It's right here, right now. 너와 함께하는 이 순간. This moment, share with you. 리듬 속에 선택해. SMC Fable 날 이끌어줘. Structure breaks, I hear the tone. Judging BOS stand alone. From London rush to New York pace. I trade with calm and know my place. Cause the lights to fit my mind. This tool was made for my kind. Equal highs and lows to find. No noise, just data refined. Session shift, alerts appear. No fear when insights are near. Zone by zone, I see it all. Trading steady, standing tall. 내 흐름은 지금 여기에. 너와 함께하는 이 순간. 리듬 속에 선택해. SMC Fable 날 이끌어줘. You may become lights feel so light. In every trend I find my side. Now I'm the answer to the game. There's nothing sweet, Fable. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone. must feel so right. You I control that from my side. Now every entry feels like home. With SMC Fable, I'm in the zone. Big picture shows direction, small picture calls the play. Market structure paints the story, we let price lead the way. Identify the market structure. Uptrend makes higher high, higher low. Downtrend forms lower high, lower low. Sideways means wait and flow. Look for change of character as a signal to prepare. Higher time frame sets the context. H1, H4, daily keep it clear. Map the points of interest where smart money likes to trade. Order blocks of supply and demand, fair value gaps display. Liquidity sweep, then price returns inside the range. Wait for change, character before you take the chance. Turn near order blocks of fair value gaps with confirmation on the low time frame. Stop loss beyond the zone. Take profit at the next structure. Trade calm, not for fade. The highs equal lows. Liquidity sits in place. Previous day high, previous day low. Smart money hunts the space. Premium and discount levels sipping max of 50, 61.8, 70.6. Mark unmitigated zones the price has yet to face. Tokyo opens quiet, London pushes into line. New York sweeps the opposite side, timing by design. Liquidity sweep, then price returns inside the range. Wait for change, character before you take the change. Enter near order blocks of fair value gaps with confirmation on the low time frame. Stop loss beyond the zone. Take profit at the next structure. Trade calm, not for fade. Sweep back into range, change of character, the sign. Break of structure for continuation, trend stays aligned. Risk to reward, at least 1 to 2. Let structure guide the lane. Partial exits, trailing stops. Manage profit, manage pain. Equal highs, equal lows. BDH, BDL. Previous week high, previous week low. Liquidity, they tell. Order block near fair value gap. Precision for the play. Sweep direction and change your character. Smart money leads the way. Liquidity sweep, data, the market show the truth. Change of character marks the shift, reveals the hidden move. Enter at the point of interest where confirmation flows. Stop loss, take profit, structure guides how the trade goes. It's your first month, full picture for timing. Structure leads the way, stay patient, stay aligning.
See the price reject again, same high, same low. Crowd believes it's strong, but we already know. Flatline shine, it's a common disguise. That's where the retail stops hiding their eyes. Mark the zone, watch 2 or 3 times. If it breaks and returns, that's a sign. Not resistance, just trap design. Liquidity builds where orders align. Equal highs, equal lows, repeated in view. Retail hopes, but the pros see through. Wait for the sweep, let price renew. Then follow structure, that's what we do. Liquidity lines, the story's clear. Truth in the charts for those who hear. Equal highs fade to equal lows near. Smart money flows, precise and sincere. Daily highs, weekly lows. Each a pull where volume goes. Read the rhythm, let it show. Where price rejects, that's where we go. Previous day high breaks, then falls below. Intraday traps, the same old show. Shoch confirmed, reversal glow. Price returns, the data flows. Previous week, how the weekly play. Institutions shift and fade away. Sweet Neo PFVG stay. That's where the market finds its way. Sweet love returns, Shoch entry. That's the pattern, calm and steady. No rush, no guess, wait till it's ready. Liquidity moves, smooth and heavy. Session flow from night to noon. Asian rest, London bloom. New York flips, it's the tune. That's when liquidity finds its room. Liquidity lines between each phase. Smart hands move in hidden ways. Observe the sweep, don't chase the craze. Patience defines the trader's grace. Daily, weekly structure, true OBFG, the point of view. The chart reveals the market's cue. Liquidity lines, they lead you through. See the flow, calm and deep. Patterns whisper, not for the weak. Wait for the sweep, then take your seat. Trade with reason, steady.
Soft lines glow on the chart tonight. Every movement has a reason inside. Step by step, we learn to see how smart money shapes the market naturally. Market structure leads the way, showing trends with clarity. Break a structure and change of characters at the key. Internal flows, external weights reveal directional tone. Reversal points a multi-time frame, keep our bias known. Point of interest points where price may shift its pace. Order blocks, supply and demand zones frame the space. For valid gaps and volumize, order blocks defined with high probability reversals often align. Auto Fibonacci Levels guide each pullback swing. Premium and discount shape the understanding. Equal highs, equal lows, and liquidity combine to build a plan that follows structure by design. Read the market clearly, every zone, every move. Real-time signals help our confidence improve. When the price returns to key zones, we prepare. Entry in the zone reminds us to be aware. SMC multi-timeframe keeps the picture whole, letting every trader find a calm, steady roll. No repaint signals react the moment price responds. Alerts appear when conditions match the bond. All essential market information stands aligned. Sessions, levels, PDH, PDL up combined. Historical zones remain for backtesting insight, helping strategies grow stable and precise. Flexible tools adapt to any trading style, working with the Fable Pro suite in harmony all the while. Flowing profile shows accumulation deep inside. Power of high timeframe keeps the trend as our guide. Adapt, not a IMTF reads the flow as it goes. Adaptive RSI filter shifts with momentum as it slows. Every tool works together, steady and true, reflecting the real market view. Read the market clearly, every zone, every move. Real-time signals help our confidence improve. When the price returns to key zones, we prepare. And trading the zone reminds us to beware. SMC multi-timeframe keeps the picture whole, letting every trader find a calm, steady roll. In every structure, in every line, we see the market storyline. With SMC guiding daily way, trade with clarity and consistency. Tree the market flow, structure shows the bigger picture first, then we wait for price to play. Start with high frame time structure, let the trend be clear. Uptrend means higher and higher low, downtrend means lower high and lower low. If the market's in a sideways range, we wait for shifts to show. Choke prepares the move, not an instant entry though. Mark the points of interest where smart money may react. Order blocks, supply and demand, fair value gaps intact. Watch equal highs and equal lows, PDH, PDDA, PDD, Padians, 30 will be Waterloo. Liquidity pools that price loves to test. Let the price come to you, don't chase what you can't hold. A sweep above the highs, then a drop back into the zone. Change of structure gives the clue of where momentum flows. Enter near the order block with confirmation on the lower flow.
Higher time frame gives the context, lower time frame buys the start. Check the sessions, Tokyo, London, New York, move the chart. If price sweeps liquidity and returns inside the range, follow the classic sequence, sweep, return, choke, entry, break of structure again.
Place your stop loss past the zone or past the recent swing. Take profit at the next OB or structure-based target ring. Use Fibonacci for mapping goals, levels clear and clean. Risk to reward at least 1, 2, 1, 5, 2. Keep the trade serene. Let the market come to you. Never chase the price. When liquidity is taken, look for reversal signs. Enter me as CFG with confirmation time. Manage risk size, the trade sets out LTP right.
Liquidity reaction levels hold the stops of retail minds. If price is twice the price, mark liquidity inside. When the sweep through, then church follows fast. That's the high probability moment. Professionals.
Continue, I'm feeling liquidity. Diggy, what you think you're probably allowing green levels for re-entry. OB and FG liquidity gets swim. Our boy structure first, confirmation next. That's a pro straight right. Let the price go back to zones. Leave it, not change. Rock the P, rock the sweep. Then confirm the change. This managed target's plan. Follow structure every day. SMC season magic is the method real traders used to trade. Market structure, liquidity, session time, control tricks you find. Logic of smart money. Money talks, but never loud. Moves in silence through the crowd. Every candle, every face leaves a trace in hidden space. Higher highs than lower lows. That's how the market rhythm goes. Structure breaks, the story shifts. Smart money sails while retail drifts. Don't chase the noise, don't lose control. Wait for zones, let patience roll. Higher highs than lower lows. Read the chart, you'll always know. Smart money logic, rhythm divine. Every zone aligns in time. Multi-time frame shows the view. From H4 skies to M15 Qs. Inside the zone, precision plays. Auto Fibonacci lights the way. Entry in the zone, we find the calm, the plan, the perfect sign.
Order blocks mark where power hides. Supply, demand, where fate resides. FEG calls the gap to fill. Liquidity swept, the chart stands still.
Equal highs, previous day lows collide. Stop hunts, clear the other side. False breaks fade, structure stays. That's how smart money moves its way.
Yo, look, price don't lie, it speaks in code. Break a structure on the road, chop, confirm, reversal mode. Risk define, reward unfold, liquidity sweep.